made a wall.
Are you getting it?
Yeah.
You got an audience. Cat's watching you.
What? Why is Dad watching you?
Yeah, he's watching you.
A llama?
Look at you. Now, you know what that's called?
What?
A screwdriver.
Screwdriver.
Yeah.
I saw a screwdriver. I want screwdriver.
Yeah.
I like it. I want to be a builder.
You love being a builder?
Uh-huh.
Wow.
What happened here?
Nothing. There's nothing in there.
Nothing?
No, there's nothing in there. This is empty behind there. What? You getting tired? Huh? No?
Too hot.
It's too hot?
Oh, no, it's good!
It went in all the way? Oh, yeah, see? That's as far as it'll go. Alright, now take it out.
Oh, why?
Take it out.
No!
No, you gonna leave it?
Just put this here.
Yeah? You sure? You
There.
finished? Alright, shut the light now.
Oh, it's another one!
Yeah, I know. I don't know where the other one is. Okay, you're all finished. Thank you. Now shut the light.
Where light?
Over here. This one. Alright, see? You fixed it. Thank you.